Welcome. In Law Grids, we'll be briefly discussing the overview of establishing of branch office, liaison office or project office or any other place of business in India by foreign entities. So general criteria and condition for opening of BO, LO or POR. The application to be made to AD category 1 bank, and AD category 1 bank will forward this application with the RBI, Central Office Cell, Foreign Exchange Department of Reserve Bank of India, and Reserve Bank of India will approve the application of such branch office, liaison office or project office. However, in certain cases, RBI will approve only with the consultation with the Government of India, and these cases are in case the entities are registered in Pakistan for opening of any such office in anywhere in India, and entities registered in few countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Iran, Hong Kong, Macau, China, desirous of opening any such BO, LO or PO in Northeast, Jammu and Kashmir, Andaman Nicobar, and in case of any such office where the principal business is defense, telecom, private security and information broadcasting. However, if any of this for such business any license is granted by a government ministry or a regulator, then no further approval of government is required. And in case of non-government organization also, RBI will only approve in consultation with the Government of India for any NGO, non-profit organization, any body, such body, agency or department of foreign government. However, for those activities which are covered under FCRA, then FCRA registration is required, and government approval is not to be sought. And another important point is, for non-resident entity to open a branch office or a liaison office in India, they should have a financial sound track record. And what is a financial sound track record? For a branch office, they should have a profit-making track record during the immediate 5 preceding financial years in the home country. And the net worth based on their latest audited balance sheets or account statement should not be less than $1 lakh or its equivalent. Similarly, in case of liaison office, it is a track record, profit making track record of last 3 preceding years and net worth not less than $50,000 or its equivalent.